Hey all, I'm back with the unboxing for the Soundcore Life Q35 high definition wireless headphones. These headphones are high res audio, wireless certified, high res audio also certified, use LDEC, I have Hybrid ANC, have 40 hours of playtime, AI enhanced calls, and they have smart wear detection, which will allow you to take off the headphones and pause the music and put them back on to resume the music. Let's unbox them. Now I got the blue ones, which are very, very nice. But let's just look at the back right now. Like I said, they're high-res audio wireless certified. They have smart wear detection, 40-hour playtime. They have crystal clear calls using 2 mics. 5-minute charge gets you 4 hours of playtime. They have NFC, and they have touch for transparency mode. And like I said, I bought the blue ones. I got these off Amazon a couple weeks back, ahead of the official release date. And they're nicely packaged. They got a nice little thing there. And the box, or the case, is a nice hard clamshell case. It has Soundcore embossed on the front. And the case, you can't really tell by the video, but it is blue, the same color as the headphones. Unzip them. Here are the headphones. This little bag has the aux cable and the charging cable. Thankfully, it uses USB-C, like everything should now, and an aux cable. The color on these are very, very nice. The ear pads are very, very plushy, very soft. And the headband itself is very soft too. And that is it for the unboxing of these headphones. If you want to buy a pair, click on the link below.